If you want to install the Wix Desktop app on your Windows 11 PC, I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open Google Chrome and head over to wix.com. Go ahead and log in into your account if you want. You can also do it later. Next, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Here you can find Cast, Save and Share. From here, click on Install Page as App. You can keep this name as it is or just make a shorter one, for example Wix, and then click on install. You can close everything and then you can already see a shortcut on your desktop which is called Wix. If you double click on it, Wix is going to open and you can log in if you haven't already. You can use it as the full browser version, but just for the quick access shortcut desktop app on your Windows 11 PC. If you want to uninstall it, just open the settings, go to apps, installed apps, and you can find Wix here. Just search for it and uninstall it, same as you would do with every other app on your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching.